You think starting a massive, highly profitable faceless channel takes expensive software or a 4-year degree in animation? You're completely wrong. Listen closely. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a monetized Stickman explainer starting from an absolute blank page. We're going to use exactly 20 free AI tools, and we're going to do the entire thing in under 2 hours. If you want the exact pipeline that the top creators are keeping to themselves, pay attention. This explainer is going to completely change how you build content. It started with a spoonful of peanut butter at 1:47 a.m. I wasn't hungry. I was just there, standing in the kitchen in an old t-shirt that didn't feel like mine, holding a jar of peanut butter like it might explain why my life felt like it was dissolving in slow motion. Now let that sink in for a second. That right there perfectly illustrates what top creators call the relatable pain loop. In a niche completely flooded with generic, robotic, AI-sounding hooks, starting your script with deeply cinematic, highly vulnerable storytelling is the ultimate pattern interrupt. It instantly builds a deep level of trust with your viewer before you even introduce your main topic. But here is the hard pivot, and this is where it gets incredibly exciting. $50,000. That is the staggering monthly revenue being pulled in right now by channels like Productive Peter. They start with that vulnerable cinematic pain loop, and they end up banking up to 50 grand a month. We call this the income and success loop, and it absolutely proves that the demand for this specific style of content is exploding right now. So the multi-thousand-dollar question is, how? How are they raking in this kind of money using basic black and white stick figures? I'll tell you right now, it's not because they're incredible artists. It's not because they bought some $10,000 studio rig. Their success comes down to a hyper-specific, highly guarded AI workflow. It's a precise, step-by-step pipeline that literally guarantees retention. The foundation of this entire workflow relies on a massive paradigm shift. I call it the Notebook LM Ghostwriter system, and it operates entirely on the concept of structural cloning. Look, generating random generic ideas with AI, that completely fails. Instead, we're taking proven, viral transcripts and feeding them into our AI tools to extract the exact narrative pacing, the specific ratio of questions to statements, and the underlying psychological structure. We're cloning the actual skeleton of viral success. We're not just plagiarizing the topic. The old way of doing this was trying to generate these hyper-realistic AI talking heads. We've all seen them, and they always fall into the uncanny valley, right? They look creepy, the blinking is weird, and viewers instantly swipe away. The new way? Stickman narrative pacing. The stick figure is absolutely brilliant because it's a blank canvas. Your audience subconsciously projects themselves and their own real-world struggles right onto that perfectly paced stickman. Section 1. The free tool pipeline. Phase 1 is your scripting engine, and missing even a single step here will ruin your entire pipeline. First, you're going to use the Grabbit extension to bulk pull URLs from top competitor channels. You are literally extracting their viral DNA. Second, feed those raw transcripts directly into Google's Notebook LM to map out that psychological structure we just talked about. And third, run that raw structure through ChatGPT. Now, you must specifically instruct ChatGPT to strip out all the robotic text, emojis, and bracketed stage directions so your script flows naturally like a real human. Next up, we step into the director's chair. This stack dictates the actual emotion of your explainer. Use vidIQ to guarantee your chosen topic is currently trending. Then leverage Gemini Flash to act as your cinematic director, literally command it to write high angles to show vulnerability or Dutch angles to create a sense of tension. Finally, run all your claims through Perplexity. Your facts have to be bulletproof to ensure absolute authority. Section 2. The consistency secret. Okay, these are your absolute non-negotiable rules for achieving flawless stickman consistency, which bypasses all those cheap glitches you usually see. Step 1. Create your primary character sheet, your base prompt, using Google Image. Step 2. Take that exact image and lock it in as a reference image inside Google Flow. Step 3. Generate your actual animation scenes using Nano Banana. By locking in that initial reference image, you are forcing the AI to maintain perfect visual continuity across every single frame of your explainer. Let me be incredibly strict about this next rule. Keep your scenes under 8 seconds, period. Do not try to generate a 30-second continuous clip. Current AI generation tools absolutely struggle with long clips. They start hallucinating, backgrounds warp, and they just lose the plot completely. You have to sequence your animation in rapid, high-quality, short bursts. And here's another hard rule, especially if you're just starting out. Do not change the copy-paste prompts. The structural scaffold we're building here relies on extremely precise commands. If you decide to go rogue and tweak the formatting of the cloning prompts, the entire framework breaks down. You gotta stick to the proven formulas that actually command the AI to extract pacing, rather than just generating random fluff. Once your visuals are locked in, we move to final assembly. For audio, you can freely dictate your ideas via Whisperflow, clean them up in Google AI Studio, and then use the free tier of 11 Labs to inject ultra-premium, deeply human emotion into that voiceover. For the actual edit, use Make.com to automate the API connections between your script and your generated images, Canva for simple frame-by-frame loops, and finally, CapCut. Bring it all together in CapCut using hard, snappy cuts to give it that fast-paced, nostalgic YouTube feel. I want to give you an Outlier Insider tip right here. Add 20% abstract graphics to your final edit. Seriously, do not just show a stickman sitting at a desk for 8 minutes straight. Intersperse your character animations with workflow diagrams, whiteboard charts, or abstract visual representations of the concepts you're talking about. This acts as a massive visual pattern interrupt, completely resetting the viewer's attention and keeping them glued to the screen. Which brings us to the ultimate payoff. Why does this exact combination of these 20 free tools succeed where hundreds of hours of manual prompting just flat out fails? Why does this specific pipeline completely bypass the AI uncanny valley? It's because you aren't just slapping together a bunch of randomly generated images. You're engineering a psychological hook. When you combine NotebookLM's ability to perfectly map human narrative structure with Google Flow's ability to lock in absolute visual consistency, you achieve the exact polish and pacing of a premium animation studio. You're giving the viewer a flawless, distraction-free vehicle to absorb the story. And the crazy part? You're doing the whole shebang for free. You now possess the exact blueprint. The tools are completely free, the workflow is entirely mapped out, and the structural secrets are sitting right there in your hands. There are literally no more excuses. The only thing left to figure out is this: what viral narrative will you clone first? Get out there, set